Gowan Artists. This week we're going to celebrate Earth Day. And we are going to do that by taking a variety of objects that you might normally recycle or throw away and creating pieces of art with them. I'm going to show you several projects you can make, but there are literally hundreds you can make. So I'm just going to give you some ideas and I'm going to let you decide what you want to do. One simple project you can make is a little mask or a little portrait using, right here I've got a paper plate. I took some little Easter grass that I had left over at my house for the hair. I used bottle caps for the eyes, a little bread clip for the nose, and foil for the mouth. But you can use so many things to create a fun face or a mask if you want to. Yarn, popsicle sticks, whatever you can find. So that is one idea. Next project, we're going to be focusing on cardboard. I made this really cool sculpture out of a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll. And this is real fun. All ages can do it. If you are a little younger, you could do this with a sibling or your mom and dad, because you are going to need to use scissors. And anytime you use scissors, you should probably ask somebody. To make this project, you just take a roll, and actually if you just fold it flat and take a pair of scissors, and I would cut just about an inch wide, couple sections off to get started, and then you can make them be a circle again real easy. You can, at this point, use a marker and color it in. I did this one pink, purple. You can make patterns. You can even use crayons for that, or just leave it. And then if you take a dot of glue, and just a dot, not a lot, put a dot there, and just set it anywhere you think would be interesting on top of your other rings that you just made, and hold it in place. Now, just like in class, you might want to count to 10 or 20 in your head to make sure you give it time to stick to each other. You never want to rush it. If you get frustrated and it doesn't stick, just try it again. And then you'll give it time to dry. And you can keep adding to this. I attach this to a paper plate base. You can also just use a piece of cardboard. Something a little bit sturdier though than just a piece of paper. Another fun thing you can make with a roll is if you take one and you just cut with scissors the very edge and make some slits around it. You can roll them out and it kind of makes a little octopus shape, or you can make a flower if you turn it over like this, and then you can color it with marker or crayon, or even with different colors paper, whatever you find at home. So that's two different quick, simple ideas of things you can make. Another fun thing is if you use cardboard from a box of anything you have at home that might be recyclable, so like maybe this box, this is a box of candy, and I cut circles, traced a circle the same size, and I cut 4 little slits around the edge, just about an inch. And if you do that, you can slide them into each other. And if you have several of them, you can create a fun sculpture that way. So that's just a couple things. Now for the last, this might be a little bit more complicated and you will need to probably ask an adult for some help. But if you have any water bottles around, I'm going to show you 2 things you can make with them. One is a fish, and this is really fun. You just have to cut the water bottle in half. And really it's not difficult because they're pretty thin. So you can squish this one just like that. You can take the bottle and you can just cut it right in half. And then also cut the label off. Usually you just slide it right in there. And then use a permanent marker. If you draw 2 eyes on it, just like that, and some designs and stripes around the edge to make it look colorful, you can create a little fish. And by doing that, also I found some tissue paper for some gift wrap, foil left over from my project last week. And if you stick it inside, give it a little pinch and a staple, a little fish, which is really kind of fun and cute. Another fun thing you can do with a water bottle is if you color it in Sharpie first, and any kind of design you want, cut the bottom off of it, and then cut it at an angle, taking your time all the way up to the very top where the cap would be. This is going to take a little time, so you really kind of need to pay attention to where you're cutting. The thinner, the better, but you never want to cut off any pieces. By doing that, you can create your very own sun catcher. And if you kind of play with them and roll them around and curl them, you can even tie a string on the top and you can hang it in your window. So these are just a very few ideas of some things you can make with recycled art. I would love to see what you come up with. You can try any of these or come up with your own. There's also a lot of things, if you ask your moms and dads to look for recycled art on the internet, there's a lot of ideas out there that you can find, and I would love to see what you made. Have a good day.